So back to what I was saying on the membership, something else that does include in this format of the property here, when we do flush the heater, this is actually a condensate for the furnace, and it's actually a drain for the heater if it ever leaks, okay? So it's not a forced drain, and what that means is it's not when a toilet's flushing or running the lab or running the kitchen or any of that stuff. So when this drain is just sitting here, it's collecting dust, whatever it may be, and it's just a slow condensate drip out of this drain. So it's not forced. So they're notorious for clogging, and when they clog, guess what? They back up, they go through here, and they start leaking through the ceiling. So part of their membership is that we flush this heater into this drain to flush all that lint, whatever it may be inside of there, through the system to keep it nice and clean. So that's included in our membership as well when everything is upstairs like this.